In this video, I'll show you how to troubleshoot a RunDLL error on your Deskjet printer. This applies to a wide range of models, so whether you own a Deskjet 2600, 2700, or any other model from the series, you're in the right place. We'll go through multiple solutions that can help you get your printer back in full working condition. Start by checking for any Windows updates. Often, missing system updates can cause issues with printer drivers, leading to RunDLL errors. Ensure your printer drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers are a common culprit for the RunDLL error. Run a Windows system file check. This can repair corrupt files that might be causing the error. Try using the HP Print and Scan Doctor tool, which is designed to automatically diagnose and resolve printer issues. Sometimes simply restarting your printer and computer can clear up temporary issues causing the RunDLL error. Check the startup items on your computer. Disable any non-essential programs that might interfere with printer operations. Uninstall and then reinstall the HP printer software, as this can sometimes resolve deep-seated conflicts causing the error. If you've tried all the suggested solutions and the RunDLL error persists, it might be time to consider replacing or repairing your Deskjet printer. Check the description below for links to recommended replacement parts and new printer options. Don't forget to like the video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more printer troubleshooting tips, and check out our next video for the latest top printer models.